opening up a drilling kit that's in there. So looks like we have some stuff here. This is actually supposed to be a caddy that you put on the side to hold all of your stuff. So let's go ahead and assemble it, see what she looks like. There is a knife and a hook holder, a basket at the top, a paper towel holder, and a lower basket. And it looks like there's also a trash bag holder that goes underneath. Very neat. Let's see if we can figure out how to assemble it. This is going to be the piece that's up at the top. This is the towel holder. We've got a bunch of little baskets, and this is the bag holder for the trash bags. And we've got a bunch of little bins here. A couple of screws and a Allen wrench. And this is the main piece that goes underneath that you connect to your side shelf on your grill. So it looks like these all have notches in them and notches on the side. Big tray goes at the bottom. The one on the top goes out the top here. So looks like these two inner ones go to the inside of this, and then this one goes to the outside of that. The hole. I see. Alright, so it looks like there's only one screw for this whole thing, and they give you the Allen wrench for it. And the hole is on this side. So here we go. So make sure before you put the screw in that this actually has to go through bottom like that, and it just sits on there, and then this guy goes back on here. Go ahead and put the screw back on. Alright, there's that. And this guy goes up here and just sits down in the slot, and then this one goes back here to sit in that slot. Give that a couple of good whacks to make sure they're in there. Alright, and that is basically it. They do give these, which I'll go ahead and put on, which is for tightening up the sections at the bottom so that it sits nice and snug with some rubber. That one goes onto the bottom of that. I'll go ahead and put this one on at the top, and now that'll help hold onto the metal. So let's go ahead and install this real quick. Alright, so I just need to open this up enough to get it around the edge here. I need to bring this down a little bit more to get it past that bottom section. So that's basically that. And then you have this here, which holds your paper towels so they don't blow away. And so you can see the room to put things. Let's go ahead and try the plastic bag holder. Gotta figure that out. And I think you had a rubber band maybe that might help to hold it on. Probably do something with that, but okay. So we've got these little guys here. There's a knife that I can put up there and have a place to hold it. A little basting brush, spatula, another spatula. I'm gonna bring these down here because this up here is where I can put my basting stuff. Another spatula, and put this guy here for whenever I actually use it. A little scraper. And we have a bunch of little skewers that I can put up here for your kebabs. So as you can see, it basically holds everything you need and more. So that's pretty cool. So check it out. If that's something you're looking for, might be right up the alley to help you get all that stuff from out of a drawer and onto your area to be able to just use it.